In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use O2Bootstrap4Component library. At first, you need to make an Angular project with some project name. Here, I'm going to use O2BT4test as a project name. In name, we do type ng new O2BT4test --routing. If you add routing option, routing module will be automatically added to the project. Then change into the project directory. And type code.post in Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, type @ or back apostrophe key for opening command line. Then start local server for testing. Type ngs. In a browser, open localhost colon 4200. You'll find the Angular default page. OK. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl+C and Y return to stop the server. We are going to add home, about, and user component for checking the routing. Type ng c home. Type ng g c about. Type ng g c user. Open app module.ts file. Copy the import lines of these components and paste them in app routing.module.ts file. Then we are going to modify routes variable. In a browser, open the GitHub site. Its URL github.com/oats bootstrap4component consumer/. Open app/source/app routing module.ts file. Copy its routes variable. Back in the VS Code, paste it in app routing module.ts file. Next, we are going to install ngbootstrap and O2Bootstrap4Component library. Type npm i-save at ngbootstrap/ngbootstrap. Type npm i-save O2Bootstrap4Component. Open app module.ts file. Import ng module and O2Bootstrap4Component module to this file. Do not forget to add for root to ngb module in the import section. Save this file. Back in the browser, open app_component.ts file. Copy the old lines inside app component class. Back in the VS Code, paste it in app_component.ts file. Save this file. Back in the browser, open app_component.ts HTML file. Copy all the lines. Back in the VS Code, paste them in app_component.html file. Save this file. In the command line, type ngs for restarting the local server. Back in the browser, open localhost colon 4200. You will find non-styled page. We need the style sheet of Bootstrap 4. Open again GitHub site. Its URL github.com/old/O2Bootstrap4Component consumer/. Open app/index.html file. Copy the CSS line of Bootstrap 4. Back in the VS Code, paste it in index.html file. Save this file. Back in the browser, open again localhost colon 4200. You will find navigation header. OK, but logo image is not displayed. Back in the VS Code, make images directory in assets directory and save the log image file in it. Back in the browser, log image is not still displayed. Back in the base code, we're going to restart the local server. Back in the browser, everything is okay. Next, we are going to set log visible false. Next, we are going to set brand visible false. Next, we are going to set drop-down visible false. Next, we are going to set search visible false. Next, we are going to change base color to dark. Next, we are going to change base color to light. Next, we are going to change base color to primary. Next, we are going to change base color to secondary. Next, we are going to change base color to info. Next, we're going to change base color to warning. Next, we are going to change base color to success. We're going to check event handlers. Back in the VS Code, set such visible true. Back in the browser, type Ctrl+Shift+I for opening Chrome Developer 2 and select Console. Input any text in the search box and click Search button. You will find the same string in the developer panel. And try to click at the buttons. You will find the name of the button in the developer panel. OK. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl+C and Y return for stopping the local server. Alright, thank you for watching.